Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be comparing the UK's four biggest mobile networks. We have 3, EE, O2 and Vodafone in order to help you decide which one offers the best value in 2026. So first of all, let's start with EE. So if your priority is the fastest 5G speeds and the widest overall coverage, EE is usually the top choice here. It's ideal for streaming, gaming, and people who rely on the stable connection in more places. Now, if we talk about the next carrier, we have Vodafone, which is going to offer the strong 5G coverage, reliable international roaming options, and a good balance between the speed and the pricing. It's a solid all-rounder network for everyday use. Then we have O2, while its data speeds are generally lower than EE and Vodafone. O2 also stands out for its priority rewards, flexible plans, and excellent indoor coverage in many urban areas. Finally, we have 3, which is often the best option if you need large and unlimited data at a lower monthly cost. However, depending on your location, its coverage and the network performance can be less consistent than the other 3 providers. Overall, EE is the best for the speed and coverage. Vodafone offers you the best all-rounder experience. O2 is great for the customer perks, and 3 is the best choice for the affordable unlimited data. So the choice depends on your needs. You can definitely choose any one of these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.